Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Guys, today's video is not going to be a DIY treatment. Today's video, I'm about to share with you guys two products can work for you if you have dark spots, like if you have serious dark spots, if you want to brighten your face a little bit. I'll be sharing with you guys two powerful products that can help you achieve that. Okay, so that's what today's video is going to be all about. But before we dive into it, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Okay guys, so that is it. Let's get right into it. I have two products I'll be sharing with you guys. These two products, I've used them and they are really nice. They are really nice. I know some of you might be wondering, you show us some DIYs that would help to get rid of dark spots and all that. Why these products? Well, the honest truth is that in as much as I put out DIYs that would help you to get rid of dark spots, treat some other skin problems, that doesn't dispute the fact that you still have to use some products to achieve some certain things you want on your skin, certain things you want for your skin. Okay, so for DIYs, you can use DIYs. They do work. I'm not saying they don't work. They do work, but there are some situations that your skin will be in that DIYs cannot solve. That's the honest truth. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you guys that my skin is perfect or my skin is looking the way it is because I only use DIY. No, that would be a lie on me. So the thing is that in as much as I use DIYs, I also use some products on my skin. DIYs works perfectly if the problem just started, if the thing just started, but once it gets serious, I don't think any DIY can easily resolve that. Okay, so that is why I've decided to share these two products that I know that works very well when it comes to getting rid of pimples, getting rid of dark spots, and also smoothing your face and brightening your skin. These two products are very good. Okay, but before I do that, also know that skin type differs. There are some things I might suggest for you to use that wouldn't work for you, whereas it worked for someone else. It's because skin type differs, so you have to bear that in mind also when you are trying something. So I think I've talked enough. So the first product on my list is this product right here. This product is very cheap. It's not costly. Yes, goldie. I'll put the picture here so you get to see it very well. This product is very good. It's not expensive. I think it's manufactured in, I will see. Okay, it's produced in Pakistan. Yes, it's made in Pakistan. It's a very nice cream, and this is how it looks like. It's someone that recommended this for me. I don't use it all the time. That's just it. This is what it looks like. Inside, it looks like a cream. I will open this. This has not been opened, so I'll open this one for you to see how it looks inside. So this is it. It has a seal. You just have to open it. So this is what it looks like inside. This cream is nice, guys. It looks like cream. So this cream helps you to get rid of dark spots. It helps to treat pimples. It helps to brighten the skin. It helps to smoothen the skin. But you must know how to use it. This cream is something you use occasionally, like when you need it. You don't have to use it all the time. So how can you use this cream to achieve a very smooth and spotless face or skin? This is how you can use it. At night, wash your face, take small amount of it, then apply it on your face. You are supposed to use it just at night. In fact, I wouldn't even advise you to use this cream during the day. Yes, it's best used at night. Use it at night after bathing. Massage it on your face. Then in the morning you wake up, you wash it out. And for this cream, I will read what it says on the back so that you see the precautions. It says, keep away from sun and heat. Store it in dry and cool place. For better results, use it at night. Did you hear that? For better results, use it at night. After applying it, stay away from stove and heat. So it's like this cream doesn't work with sunlight, it doesn't work with heat in general. So after applying it, you don't need to go and start cooking, meaning that before you apply it at night, make sure that you're done doing whatever you have to do in the kitchen that requires turning on the cooker. Make sure that you're done with all that before applying it. So once you apply it at night, just go to bed. In the morning, you wake up, you wash your face. Once you wash your face, this is the next cream you need to apply on your skin that will help to give you that glow, that will help to... I've used this cream let me not exaggerate. I've used this cream for 3 years now, and I'm not planning on leaving it. No, I'm not planning on letting it go. So this is it. This is Cetaphil. This is my everyday go cream. This is face cream. It's Cetaphil. It's very nice. So after using this one at night, if you can lay your hand on the original one, trust me, after using it, you will come back to say thank you. Honestly, if you can, because I know that there are a lot of fake out there, but if you can lay your hand on the original one, you will thank me later. Okay, this is especially if you have a very serious acne and pimples on your face. If you have dark spots, this works wonders. Okay, so in the morning, this is what you will need in the morning. Cetaphil, bright healthy radiance. This cream, I've used it for 3 years. And I'm not planning on leaving it. So this is the one you apply on your face after washing your face in the morning. This will help to maintain your, give you that glow. So that's it. It has SPF. It has SPF 15 in it. They said it helps to fight against weakened skin barriers, dryness, irritation, roughness, and tightens. So those are the things these creams will help to fix on your skin. It will help to fight irritation. It will help to brighten your skin. It will help to fight roughness on your skin. It will help to fight skin barriers on your skin. Okay, so that is it. So this cream is what you will need in the morning. This one is what you will need in the night. For a start, if you just started using this one, you can apply it every day, every day, every day. Then after 1 month, you start applying it 2 times in a week. Even if at some point you won't need it. This one, I bought it since I've not opened it. I've not, because I don't need it anymore. Yes, I used it when I was having serious dark spots and acne problem that DIYs couldn't solve. That's when I started using this. But right now, I don't use it anymore. I got this for a long time. It's been here. I didn't open it. You guys saw me when I opened it here to show you that you don't need it for a lifetime, like I said earlier. You only need it when you were having the problem. And once the problem is fixed, you don't need it every day again. Guys, these are the 2 products you need to keep your face smooth, spotless, and glowing. Okay, these are the 2 products I can boldly beat my chest and tell someone to try. Yes, these are the 2 products. So guys, that is it. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye.